Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something that's both exciting and important, how a balanced diet can improve your sex life. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on health and wellness. Your diet plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of your health, and your sex life is no exception. Let's explore how eating the right foods can enhance your sexual health and performance. First, a balanced diet boosts your energy levels. Foods rich in complex carbohydrates like whole grains provide a steady source of energy, while lean proteins and healthy fats keep you feeling full and satisfied. Having more energy means you're more likely to be active and engaged, both in your daily life and in your intimate moments. Next, certain foods can enhance blood flow, which is crucial for sexual arousal and performance. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are rich in antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C, E, and folate, which support healthy circulation. Try incorporating more berries, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and nuts into your diet for better blood flow and improved sexual function. A balanced diet also helps regulate hormones. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts support hormone production and balance. Balanced hormones are essential for maintaining a healthy libido and overall sexual health. Certain foods can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can have a positive impact on your sex life. Foods high in magnesium, such as dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. When you're less stressed, you're more likely to enjoy intimate moments with your partner. Heart health is directly linked to sexual health. Foods that are good for your heart, like whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins, also benefit your sexual performance by ensuring good blood circulation. Maintaining a healthy heart helps you stay active and improves your overall stamina. A balanced diet can also improve your mood. Foods rich in B vitamins like whole grains, eggs, and dairy support brain health and mood regulation. Feeling happy and positive can enhance your desire and enjoyment in your sex life. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy and fulfilling sex life. By making smart food choices, you can boost your energy, enhance your mood, and improve your overall sexual health. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.